Ever wonder why converting leads into sales in real estate often feels like trying to catch fish with bare hands? Many real estate agents grapple with this challenge daily, and it's not for lack of trying. The real issue lies in the rapidly evolving digital landscape and the increasing demand for instant responses and personalized service. Enter AI chatbots, the game-changing solution that's revolutionizing how real estate agents interact with their leads. These aren't your run-of-the-mill chatbots, no. These are AI-powered, incredibly sophisticated and capable of delivering that instant, personalized service your leads crave. Take, for instance, a lead that comes in from social media. In the past, you'd have to manually respond to each query, a time-consuming process that often results in delayed responses and potential clients slipping through the cracks. Now, with an AI chatbot, new inquiries receive instant, personalized responses, engaging them right from the start and significantly increasing the chances of conversion. And it doesn't stop at social media. Missed a call from a potential client? No problem. AI chatbots can respond via text message, ensuring that no call goes unanswered. They can even respond to direct messages on Facebook and Instagram, casting a wider net and leaving no stone unturned in the quest for lead conversion. Perhaps one of the most exciting advancements in this space is the use of ChatGPT for generating better follow-ups to new inquiries. This technology uses machine learning to help you craft and deliver more targeted information. For instance, it can even help create compelling lead magnets, write follow-up emails, and craft social media posts that resonate with your target audience. But the best part? Using AI chatbots for lead conversion doesn't require a degree in computer science. Platforms like Go High Level are the leader in AI conversation systems that are easy to use and can be configured for any industry. They do the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on what you do best, closing deals and making sales. In a world where time is of the essence and personalized service is king, AI chatbots offer a formidable solution to the challenges of lead conversion. They work around the clock, they never tire, and they deliver results. So don't let your leads slip away. Embrace the power of AI chatbots and watch as your lead conversion rates soar. For more information on how you can grab hold of the power of AI conversations, visit realleadsfinder.com. The future of lead conversions is here, and it's powered by AI.